It's time to work smarter, not harder. With Tomahawk Power's all-new TG2000i Inverter Generator, you can do just that. With 2,000 watts of stable power to keep your tools running, plus a fully loaded package at half the price, this generator is engineered with the features you need to get the job done right. Light enough to carry around, bring power anywhere, and at any time, using the incredibly quiet Eco Mode. Big power in a lightweight inverter generator, built to start your day and power your world. Tomahawk.